where does the power on your socket come from? It comes from an electricity network like that one there. Traditionally, electricity is generated on big power plants and then distributed to your houses. But what if that people there decide to try to save the world, use renewables and install solar panels and more wind farms? Then they will need less dirty electricity from those guys there because they will be generating their own. But, because there's a but, what if wind start blowing more and these houses generate more than what they need? Then the houses with wind farms will generate electricity instead of consuming electricity. The problem is that the network was not designed to work that way, so then we will have melting cables, voltage problems, and blackout. As an engineer, I cannot allow that. So we create controlled strategies to allow for those technologies to integrate in a secure manner. So that's what I do in my PhD. I try for us to have those technologies in our houses. Now, what is mainly proposed so far is to install equipment all around the network that can measure everything that is going on, and then with all that data, use a communication network to send that to a big brain somewhere that will take actions according to when there are problems. That's very expensive, and who's going to pay for that? It's going to be you guys, and it's going to be me, and I don't want to pay for that. So I thought, can we do it better? Yes, we can. We can do it simpler and faster, because all those technologies there, they have information on the place they are located. And then even if we don't directly measure houses' consumption, we can use statistics to estimate people's behavior. If we can guess what people might be doing during the day, we can guess how much energy they need during the day. So I use that information that we already have to estimate what the network might be doing, if there is going to be a problem, and what can I do to solve it. Now, unfortunately, in electrical engineering, we cannot go and experiment directly on the network. You don't want to have a crazy PhD student like me turning your things on fire. That's for sure. So what I do is, I take the network, I go to my office, which is a safe place, I close the door, and I create a mathematical model of the network, and then run simulations on a computer. Now, I don't use a normal computer. I use a very fancy and powerful one that is called a real-time simulator. I go with the mathematical model of the network to that real-time simulator, but the amazing part is that then I can connect real things on it. I can connect a real solar panel, I can connect a real electric vehicle, and a real wind farm. And that's the closest thing that we can have from reality. So then I can go to the people in AirGrid or the people in ESB and tell them, guys, I have this solution for our problem that works in this very real thing, and if you let me try it in real life, I assure you that will make that woman there very happy. Thanks for your attention.